What did they do? Knock, knock, knock. One time. Second time. Knock, knock, knock. And then who opened the door?
Bear.
Bear. Mr. Bear opened the door. And Mr. Bear said, "Hello, baby wolf. Hello, baby fox. How can I help you?" They said, it's getting dark outside. We would like to sleep in your house for tonight. Would you let us sleep in your house? And the bear family say, "Yes, why not? You are very welcome in our house. Please come inside," he said to the baby wolf and baby fox. So, and then daddy bear, mommy bear and baby bear, they asked, "Are you hungry, baby wolf and baby fox?" They said, what did they say? What is this? They said, "Yes." "What do you want to eat?" They said, "Oh, whatever you have." They say, "Oh, we have honey and..."
We have honey.
Bear loves honey. The bear said, "We have honey and..."
We have honey.
He loves honey. Okay, what did they have for the baby fox and baby wolf? Honey and...
Photo.
Huh?
Photo. Photo.
Photo?
Bottle.
Bottle.
Bottle? What bottle?
Rain bottle.
They had honey, bread and...
Water. Water.
Water. Okay, you were saying water. Okay, water
And fruit. Fruit, man.
fruits. Yes, for the dinner.
And-
So the baby wolf and baby fox were very hungry because they walked all day. So that's why they ate food so much. They ate so much and they were eating very fast. Because they were very hungry and very tired. They ate food. Then they said, "Where is our bedroom?" And the daddy bear said, "Oh, your bedroom is upstairs." They went to the bedroom. They took bath. They brushed their teeth. And then they changed their clothes. And then they went to the bed. And then they slept. But when they were about to close their eyes, when they were sleeping like this, they heard sound of dogs. Dogs what?
The barking.
And
Howling.
howling. And then they caught up. It opened their eyes. That's why what did they do? They went out and shoo them
Dog.
away. Yes. And then they were about to sleep again. But suddenly they heard the sound of... Not food.
Dog.
Dogs barking and
Howling.
howling. That's why they went out again and
The dog.
shoo the dogs away. And they went to bed again. They slept. In the morning, who made sound?
Water.
Rooster. How does it make sound?
Water.
Very good. And they make sound. And they opened their
Eyes.
eyes. They got up. And they went to the toilet. They brushed their teeth. Took bath. Changed their clothes. Get down. And the daddy bear family, what did they give to them for the breakfast? They gave...
Milk.
Not milk.
Sushi. No.
What Papa drinks what in the morning?
Water.
No, not water.
Coffee.
Coffee. Very perfect guess. Yes. So they took coffee in the morning with...
Mommy.
Huh? With
Mommy too. Mommy wolf.
No, they took coffee with bread and jam. They put jam on bread and put 2 slices of bread together, and then they ate that with coffee. And then say, "Okay, we have to continue our journey. We have to go and meet our aunt. So thank you for giving us, letting us stay in our house." And then the bear family say, "We are very honored to help you." And they continue the journey. When they were walking, they met a big gorilla. What did the gorilla say? You cannot cross the forest without my permission." And the baby fox and baby wolf say, "Why we are going to meet the aunt? Please let us go." Say, "No, I will not let you go. I can only let you go if you give me banana. How many bananas? 500 bananas. If you bring 500 bananas for me, then only I will let you go. Ho 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 ho. त्यसपछि baby wolf and baby fox ले के गर्यो? They collected 500 bananas for gorilla, and they gave those bananas to gorilla, and the gorilla left them cross the forest. And they were walking. Then they were very hungry because they were walking all day. They were very hungry. They would like to eat something. So what did they eat? They picked up some apples and apples and oh.
No.
What is no oh?
B.
B.
No, I change.
Apples and oranges, right? Change भने के हो त्यो म त बुझ्दै बुझ्दैन. Huh? Orange juice?
No,
No, I mean to say, what did they pick up? They picked up some apples and what is my centers? No, I'm look, Papa is telling me. So listen first. Okay, they picked up some apples and no, they don't have oranges in the forest. How can they find oranges in the forest? You have to pick the fruit, oranges, apples, and what fruit another? Tent. Oh, that story is coming. Yeah. I'm telling about the tent. Tent is coming, but I'm talking about fruits now. What fruit? Apples and bananas. Okay, let it be banana. No problem. Okay. They picked up some apples and bananas. They ate first banana. They ate second banana. They ate third banana. They ate fourth banana. They ate fifth banana. After that, they picked up first apple, second apple, third apple, and then fourth apple, and then fifth apple. And they were full. I'm full now. Then they continued their journey. In the evening, it was getting dark again because that aunt used to live very far away. So what they would like to sleep in the forest because there were no house nearby. They cannot ask help from anyone. What did they do? They put up their tent, and what did they do? They made a campfire. What did they do? They roasted their sausages because they had nothing to. They had carried some sausages. They would like to keep it for the dinner. So they make sausage roast, and then they ate and sleep inside the tent. But at night, what happened? Who came? Who took away their tent?
Hamster.
No. Who took away their gorilla?
Hamster.
Hamster? How can a hamster take away the gorilla? Orangutan. In the morning when they opened their eyes, the tent was not there. Someone already took away their tent. They start to look around, but tent was not there. Then they look up to the tree. They saw a orangutan. And orangutan was holding a tent. So what did they say to orangutan?
Tent to me.
Please give tent to me. And what did the orangutan say? No. You have to give
Tent.
You have to give bananas to me. Then only I will give tent back to you. Go and find bananas for me. How many bananas?
2 banana.
One banana. Why would
2
you give?
banana.
2 bananas. Not 2. Say 2,000 bananas. How many bananas? 2,000. 3,000 bananas. Okay. Say 3,000. 3,000 bananas. He said, give me 3,000 bananas. Then only I will give 10 to you. And they have to go and find bananas for the orangutan because orangutan had their tent. So they have to bring a lots and lots and lots of bananas for the orangutan, and they give all those bananas to orangutan. Orangutan gave 10 back to baby fox and baby bull.